Friends, welcome to Trending Stocks. Kindly subscribe to my channel for the latest market updates and multi-bagger tips. We will go into the details of news as of today, and we will try to analyze why the future group shares are falling. So before that, we will go into the details of today's trading pattern. So right now we are in Future Retail Limited. In NSE, it is closed flat. You can see 77.25, and you can see the volume traded around 29 lakhs are traded. In that, 47.34 percentage taken the delivery. And if you see the Future Enterprises Limited, this one also closed flat. You can see here 11.70, and almost 12 lakh shares are traded. In that, around 50.30 percentage taken the delivery. So the still people are interested to take this, and this will be a multi-bagger for sure. And we will go into the details of newses. Before that, I want to tell you this will be a multi-bagger. Whenever you find this share in lower, you can buy this. So the future group share will not fall further. So this will be the right time to accumulate. So try to accumulate whatever the possible. And now we will go into the details. The first thing is Amazon already they approached Supreme Court as an appeal. So they said that already the High Court divisional bench they stayed the order, that means status quo order. So to implement that, they approach Delhi, that means the Supreme Court. So that will not be happen. And also there is one more thing is that Delhi High Court divisional bench already they said that the February 26th the hearing will start. So before that there is no development will happen on Supreme Court petition. And already you can see that the future group already they made a caveat petition. It means there will not be any action taken without future group concern. So already they are ahead. Future group is ahead, and surely the deal will happen. You can see that. And one more thing is that future group they announced that they are going to do the debit restructuring by March 31st. This is a good news. Future group will be almost debit free after this. So and also once the deal is completed, around 4,000 crore will be with the future group. After that will be the surplus amount. So that this amount will be the working capital later on. So surely the future there will be a development and the deal will happen. In my previous videos, I clearly stated that Delhi High Court divisional bench is very clear, and they have specified that there is no deal in between Future Retail and Amazon. The deal is in between Future Coupons and Amazon, and that should not be affected to Future Retail and Reliance deal. So the same decision we can expect from Supreme Court also. Before that, as I told you before, we can expect NCLT some progress from NCLT for sure before 26th of February. So let us hope for the best, and don't fall on any negative news. Surely this future group will be a multi-bagger, and the peoples are still buying, and there is no chance to go fall again. This will be the resistance level. So try to accumulate at this level. No need to bother about this Amazon petition in Supreme Court. And all those stuff. So the deal will happen for sure. So just hold the share whatever you have, and if possible just try to take this as an opportunity to buy. So the decision will be happen from NCLT for sure before 26th of February. So even after this NCLT order also there will be delay. That means maybe some minor delay will happen, because according to the procedure, future group should obtain approval from stakeholders. So it will take some time. So let us hope for the best. Thank you.